What's going on, guys? Tony here at learnautobodyandpaint.com, and we have another question from Richard here. He's working on a 1994 Mustang GT project, and he wanted some advice. Hey, Tony, Happy New Year. This is a 1994 Mustang GT Convertible that I got from a coworker. I was having trouble sending photos and videos, so I'm sending them in this email. As you can see, it has been hit on the driver's side front. Guys, I'll show you pictures in a bit. Let's just finish reading this out. As you can see, it's been hit on the front. The impact caused about a 3.5 inch deflection on the driver's side and about a 1.5 inch deflection on the passenger side, measured between the edge of the hood and the lip of the fender. Okay. This car has a lot of new parts, such as a new leather interior, many other mechanical parts. My plans are to fix it up and keep the car, eventually giving it to my 13-year-old grandson. That is awesome. When he gets old enough and who loves cars. My thoughts are to take it somewhere to get the frame straight and then do the rest of the work myself. I think that's a great idea. If you don't have a frame machine, take it to a frame guy. They'll charge you by the hour if you find the right shop, and you could just get the frame straightened out and then do the rest of the body work yourself. It might help to actually give them some of the parts like the hood and fenders, because when straightening out frames, it helps to have the body parts there. So if they want to put them on and match them up, you can get a good alignment, with the parts there as well. So you might want to have them do a rough draft and put at least the fenders and hood on when working on the frame and radiator support, right? Because sometimes you need to pull to make sure your hood closes. Of course, the big question is, can the frame be straightened? Absolutely, of course. This damage doesn't look big at all. Yes, the frame can be straightened. If that can be accomplished, then the rest should be fairly routine. I have taken it to a restoration shop that works on older cars and said that it could be fixed. Of course, not cheap, but it could be done. I hope this is not too late to get a response, but I appreciate your thoughts to see if I'm on the right track. So let's take a look at the car here. It looks like your bumper support here is actually in good straight condition. It looks like it just got clipped toward the edge here. And it looks like your radiator support and eye socket for your headlights are tweaked and not your frame, which is below it as of now. Let's keep on looking here. So this is your main bumper. Okay. Your bumper support, which is mounted on your frame. Okay. And then you have your bumper in front of it. So let's take a look here. It doesn't look like this is dented in, to be honest with you. It looks like it just got whacked from the side and it crinkled your radiator support. That's what it looks like. So absolutely, yes, I think this is a very easy fix. It just tweaked the front over a little bit, okay? And I don't think this is not your frame bending. It's your front support, which moved. This looks bent here. I'm not sure if this is part of your frame, though. I'm not 100% sure. It's very hard to see with these pictures. It looks like this is your impact support here, which is twisted. The front, I wish you gave me like a solid front picture of it. What I would advise you to do is take the front cover apart with all the parts and this bumper support, and then send me a picture head on. And also looking down. That would give me a better view to tell you more. It's just a little difficult right here to see it. I do see it here. This is bent, and this could be your frame. It could be your frame. But it is fixable. After looking at it like this could be part of your frame here, or the front section of your frame. I haven't worked on one of these older Mustangs in a long time, so I don't remember what it looks like inside with everything off. But yes, absolutely, something like this can be fixed. So if you want to proceed with it, I would take it apart and send me some more pictures. And yes, you could take it to a frame shop to have them align the front up. And that's pretty much it. My question to you is this a salvage title? Did they salvage it? Or is it still a clear title? Because if it's a clear title, that's going to be even better for you, for resale if you end up selling it later after you fix it. You know what I mean? So anyway, that's my comments on this project here. Let me know if you could send me additional pictures after you pull the front off. That would be excellent. Sorry for getting this back to you so late. I've just been so busy and just catching up on everybody's Q&A right now. So again, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please share it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Comment down below in the description here. Also, look down below for links to go to learnautobodyandpaint.com where you could learn more about auto body and paint, and also download yourself a free 85-page booklet. You can also go to a page like this by clicking the top right of this video right up over here. If you're on YouTube mobile, the top right, tap on it, a drop down will appear where you can actually click and go to learnautobodyandpaint.com here to grab a free 85-page guide. And also, if you're interested, check out VIP at Learn Auto Body and click on the VIP section right over here. Talk to you soon, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.